Hello my friends and welcome back. So today's video we are showing you what this dog training collar looks like. So let's go ahead, open it up, show you guys what you get. So this is a dog training shock collar for dogs, and it also has vibration. So some safety information and dog training user manual. So it says this dog is not suitable for aggressive dogs. Here's the remote that you get. Really nice looking remote. Alright, inside looks like they provide us with a bracket, provide you with, looks like the collar or leash, the device itself, and also charger. So it just charges within right through there. And this would go around the dog, and this would be right on the dog. So you would loop this through with the bracket. Alright, so on here you press and hold to power it on. Now we need to make sure we sync these up. So overall, it's a nice kit. Make sure you check out your manual and go over all the informations to learn on training your dog. But it's a great kit because it's a dual. You could do shocking, or you could just do vibrating, or both. Overall, it's a really nice kit. Should do the job.